Hey there, today we're going to look at what is WordPress, how WordPress works. So let's get started. First, go to WordPress and click on Get Started to sign up. Over here, you can create an account using Google, Apple, GitHub, or email. After that, choose a plan. The free plan gives limited features, while the business plan allows plugins. Then, once your account is ready, you will see your website dashboard with options like posts, media, pages, and comments. Over here, you can also manage themes and plugins. After that, you can create a new site, choose a domain, and start with the free plan if you want. Then open the editor by clicking on Edit Site. Over here, you can add templates, sections, or create your own layout. After that, you can add a cover image, text, and customize navigation, styles, and pages. Then simply drag and drop blocks like paragraphs, headings, images, galleries, or tables to design your site. After that, click on Save to save changes. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.